Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Ryan with The Beard Struggle, and this is the Beard Struggle Sniff Test. Scale of 1 to 10.
A good 9.
Yeah. You like it?
I like this one.
8 out of 10?
Very fruity.
Oh, that goes on a man's beard?
Yeah.
Yes. 10 out of 10.
I like that. I would say like a 9 out of 10.
If your man was wearing this, would you love him more?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like a 9?
Scale of 1 to 10.
8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10, that's a B+.
I would wear it. It smells amazing, man, honestly.
An 8. Ooh, that's nice.
9 out of 10.
Very manly.
And if your man was wearing that scent, would you love him more?
Absolutely. Pretty good smell.
What do you think?
Oh, I'd give that a 10.
If your man was wearing that, would you love him more?
Oh yeah, 100%.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10, dude.
Oh, that's delightful. I like a man that takes care of himself.
Go to thebeardstruggle.com if you want more women and a thicker and fuller beard.
Order online now from thebeardstruggle.com.